Hi guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Mediacloudpro review. Now for those of you out there who struggle with getting
social media,
imagery,
for going viral,
video, logos, whatever, you're looking for a library, Google is not delivering, you're getting pinged by copyright because you don't have a decent library of images,
scrolling down and loading more and more
for you. In a nutshell, Mediacloudpro is
stickers,
just a massive library of, I believe, 13 million
all kinds of funny stickers.
Images,
and then the next one is a pro feature. That's videos and memes. Again, well, let's search for woman this time.
Ready to go, no copyright or anything like that. Just a massive library.
And
so
we can see all kinds of
take a look at
woman videos.
It also comes with 2 editors. And as well as that, I've also gotten you some really great bonuses that I think are going to go hand in hand with Mediacloudpro really well. So when you get it, you're going to really hit the ground running. So before we get into it, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe, and also turn on that little bell if you want more updates on platforms that are coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also really quickly, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video and just check it out on your own, make sure you click the link in the description first. What that will do is take you through first to my bonus page, which looks like this. Contact details at the top if you have any problems. And the way this page really works is by clicking on any of these green buttons, what it will do is lock in the bonuses and then send you off to the official MediaCloud sales page, because my page is integrated with the official page. And if you do decide to purchase Mediacloud Pro, you'll not only be sent Mediacloud Pro, but you'll be sent all these bonuses along with it in a big bundle with just way more value that you can access immediately. So the first bonus I've gotten for you is I've sourced some non-copywritten music loops packs, and I've gotten you volume 1, 2, and 3, and each one contains 25 music loops, so 75 in total, that you can use on, really wherever you want, on your videos, anywhere. You will not be pinged. And since Mediacloud Pro is a multimedia product, I thought this would fit really well. The second bonus I've gotten for you is probably gonna suit you new people out there. It's called Freedom Online Business, and if you're new and you're looking at different products, and you might feel like nothing's working or you're lacking foundation, this is one of those really good beginner programs to building an online business, whether you're going into agency or affiliate marketing, e-com, coaching, consulting, anything like that. This goes into helping you build your brand, websites, generating traffic, automation down the line, where to hire people and things like that. Just an all-encompassing thing to start you off on the right track. The third bonus I've gotten for you is social media income. Now, usually these are sold separately, but I've just thrown all 5 of the main ones in for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. They're like the big platforms for a lot of traffic, and it really just shows you how to use each one. So if you're using MediaCloud to put out unique content on platforms, this goes into how to post. So maybe you're doing well on Instagram but not Facebook, or you're doing good on YouTube but not LinkedIn. The number one reason for that is usually because you're just not speaking the language of that platform, so people are not resonating, wanting to read it. You're trying to force it, the same content on every platform. This goes into the nuances of each social media platform so you can better understand and find success on each. Fourth bonus I've gotten for you is Fiverr Simplified. Now this is a huge product, and really it goes into really how to make money as a freelancer. So again, unplugging, finding a job where you can be your own boss. And it doesn't have to be on Fiverr, it can be on Elance or any of those platforms, because really the fundamentals of how to make money on each one, there's a big crossover here. This is one of the best products I've seen on it. So if you want to use Mediacloud Pro to create things with the multimedia that you get from Mediacloud Pro and maybe sell it off, you do get agency licensing with Cloud Media Pro, so you're able to do that. And the fifth bonus is basically the team behind Mediacloud Pro have hooked me up with all of their bonuses to give to you. So a quick look, pause your screen. We've got evergreen infographics pack, so more media there, especially good if you're on Pinterest. Internet marketing lifestyle, bonus number 2. We've got image sharing profits. We've got entrepreneur disruption gold, profit from PLR. And yeah, we got some more video marketing profit kit series. We've got modern video marketing video series. We've got the treasure of motivational quotes. That's great for Instagram. And fresh Constitution quotes, also great for Instagram as well. Bonus 10, 300 top quotes to help you in any situation. So again, that's great for your social media. Bonus 11, Avatar Genie Pro Review Pack. 123 Logo Kit. Underground Remarketing Boom. Easy Banner Ad Rotator. And Web Video Production. So 15 extra bonuses there, along with the 5 that I've got. So 20 something bonuses there. If that all sounds good to you, it's step 1, link in the description. You'll go through to my bonus page, click on these green buttons. That will send you off to the vendor sales page, which looks like this. And I would recommend going through this in your own time so you can make a more informed decision over which version that you want. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. Under the green button will be Mediacloud Pro. Under the blue button will be all those bonuses. So as I said, really easy, big bundle you can access immediately. My email's there if you have any problems. I do reply to everybody. Now, keep an eye on this countdown timer because I am talking about a launch week special. So when this does hit 0, none of this will be available. That includes bonuses or any exclusive pricing that gets activated by going through my links here, my green buttons. If there is still time on it when you come through, then they are still available. If you want to double check and email me, that's also fine as well. So without further ado, let's go and check out what you can expect.
All right, I'm going to do a very quick walkthrough of the Mediacloud Pro application. This is the dashboard when you log in. It is a web-based application, so you can use it regardless of what kind of computer you have. If you click on Find Media over here on the menu, and then click on Images, you will bring up a keyword search function where you can search over 7 million image assets. And so let's just say we want to search for man, all right? Because one thing that a lot of people like to use is stock images of people specifically. And so certainly you're going to find plenty of people stock images in this massive library of over 7 million assets. Now let's suppose we want a man using a computer, because that's something that I would tend to use in a sales video or a PowerPoint presentation or something like that. So obviously you can see plenty of very relevant results being returned. And of course we can continue to load more images, and there's probably hundreds of, maybe even thousands of results, and we can continue to narrow it down from there. So that's the image search. Then you have the GIFs/stickers search. And so let's say we want to search, we'll search for man. Okay, so here we can see some GIFs, a lot of funny stuff. These are things that you can use for social media, for going viral. Let's type in the word funny and see what it comes up with there. All kinds of funny GIFs, and I'm sure we can keep scrolling down and loading more and more and more. Then you can also search for stickers. Let's search for funny stickers, see what it comes up with. All kinds of funny stickers. And then the next one is a pro feature. That's videos and memes. Again, well, let's search for woman this time. Woman videos. And we can see all kinds of woman videos. And we can also search for memes. All kinds of memes that we can use, and all of these, so we can instantly download them. We can add them to our library within this Media Cloud, so you can basically create your own collection of assets that you can refer to in the future. And then you can also instantly edit the images, which I'll show you in a moment. You can also search for icons. Let's just search for let's say tree icons. Okay, so basically these are like, PNG format type of images. Next we have something called campaigns. This is where you can actually create videos, edited videos. And then we have, let's see, your own in-house library. Oh, sorry, I'm skipping one. We've got audios. And here you can actually download, this is a pro feature as well. You can download 12 collections of stock audios. And then you've got sound effects, and here you've got it organized by category. So let's say we want some electronics related sound effects. I'll click on that category, and here you can see all kinds of things ranging from a phone ringing to camera shutter. We've got 56 sound effects just in that category. That's a pro feature as well. Then we have the library, which is basically where you can save any of the assets to your personal library. And then we have image assets that you can download as well. So these are like basically like fire sale packages included within the Media Cloud Pro. So each of these could easily be a launch within itself. These are, in fact, many of them were standalone product launches for stock image packages. And you get to download all of these massive packages, as well as these packages of over 8,000 GIFs. And then the video assets is a pro feature. You've got HD videos. You've got thousands of HD videos that you can download. And then you have 4K videos as well. I believe there's at least 750 actual 4K stock videos for you to download instantly. And then you got the logo collection. Again, you've got some samples here, and then you've got the packages that you can instantly download. You've got the viral quotes, which is a pro feature. Again, some previews, and then all kinds of quote packages for you to instantly download. And then you've got the avatars. Again, these were launches on their own. It could be just this, and yet this is just one little component of Media Cloud Pro. And then you have vectors. These are basically PNG images. You have, thousands, tens of thousands of images that you can download. You've got 3D covers as well as 2D covers. And then we have other assets, which includes quite a lot, including PowerPoint covers, CD designs, Facebook timeline covers, funnel image designs, affiliate banner designs, money back seal designs, call to action button designs, background images. This is basically like a massive graphics fire sale package, again, included here within Media Cloud Pro. And then the bonuses, well, don't underestimate the bonuses, because each of these, once again, has basically been a standalone launch. I was actually blown away when I saw what we're including here. We've got the animal stock images bundle, the beautiful outdoors, the humans. Some of you may remember this was a top seller, right? Humans stock images bundle just on its own, and yet you're getting this in here just as part of this bonus collection. All of these are bonuses that can be instantly downloaded, and there are video packages, graphics packages, all kinds of graphics and image packages that you can download here. And then, of course, the support link. Now, the last thing I was going to show you was how to instantly edit an image. Let's go back to images, and we'll search for man again. And if I click on one of these images, you can see if I just hover over it, it gives me the option to either edit it with Pixo Editor or edit it with Photopea. All right, and so these are online editing programs that they're no additional cost, and you can edit these images directly out of Media Cloud Pro. So if I, for example, click on Edit with Pixo Editor, it's going to open that image in Pixo Editor. So I don't have to go through the process of downloading it and uploading it and all those things. It is simply going to transfer it directly into Pixo Editor, where I can then begin to edit it. And you can see here it says Edit Photo. Okay, from here you can apply filters, all kinds of different filters. You've got stickers, you've got text, you've got blur, frame, shape, draw, crop, transform, all kinds of things, and then you can instantly save it. So it's as simple as that, without having to go through the extra steps of, downloading, uploading, and all those things. You can simply edit it directly out of Media Cloud Pro and then save it exactly how you want it. And then the same thing with Photopea. If we click on the Edit with Photopea, is actually going to open that image in Photopea. All right, and for those of you that may not be familiar with Photopea, it is essentially a clone of Photoshop. Okay, it has basically the same features and tool layout as Photoshop, has the same functionality, it has the ability to create layers, and so you can edit it right here using all of the standard tools that you would find in Photoshop, and then save it directly. So just one more of the many powerful features that you'll find in Mediacloud Pro.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited about getting your hands on Mediacloud Pro. Now, really quickly, again, in the link in the description there, you can find out a little bit more, especially to do with pricing. So the front end is $27 for personal and $37 with those agency rights. So if you're gonna sell them on, and it's everything really that you see here. There will be a one-time offer upsell during the buying process if you want a bit extra. If you want a bit more video related media, you can pay an extra 10 or 20 bucks for that, depending on if you want personal or agency rights. And then the last one-time offer is reseller, $67. If you want to resell Mediacloud Pro as your own product with your own branding or whatever, take all the profits in yourself, you're able to do that as well. So a lot of value here on offer, especially when you take into consideration that you do only need the front end in order to get access to all the bonuses I talked about earlier. So just, you know, you're getting a few $100, maybe $1,000 worth of product for 27 bucks potentially. If you do have any extra questions or issues, hit me up in the comments, email, social media, whatever you want. I do reply as quick as I can to everybody. If not, enjoy Mediacloud Pro. Hope you love the bonuses, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.